Today, we Indonesians celebrate Indonesian Independence Day all around the world, including here in Tokyo. And now, we here, behind me, there's a General Sudirman statue. Do you know why? Well, let's find out why. Apparently, not many people know there's a full-size bronze statue of Indonesian legendary revolution leader General Sudirman. He was the leader of PTA. PTA is an army defender of the homeland. That was Indonesian volunteer army formed during the Japanese occupation in 1943. They were fought in war for independence. Their role in revolution was greatly honored. General Sudirman was beloved by all his men. In central Jakarta, there's a Sudirman Street where an identical bronze statue of General Sudirman also stands. The fact that in 2011, Indonesia gave Japan a statue of General Sudirman and put it here is a refutation of the legality and the verdict of the Tokyo War crime trial. And also, it symbolized the development of friendship and amicable cooperation between Japan and Indonesia.
スティルマン将軍に対する、献花式が2回目になりますが、今回は、防衛省が、公式な行事として、防衛副大臣、もう本当は大臣がおいででしたら大臣は出られると言ったんですが、今ワシントンのおいでなもんで、公式行事として行うことができました。私たちとしては、向こう10年、20年、50年、100年とこの献花式を続けて、日本とインドネシアの間の友好関係を強めていきたいと願っております。
Thank you very much for your time. And today is, our Independence Day. And then I'm Indonesian. I'm very proud to be standing here and talking to you. So, not many people know about Sudirman and then General Sudirman. And now, to be honest, I just know as well. So, what do you think? Did you heard this before? Do you know this before?
Well, I heard a couple of years ago this statue was sending from Indonesian government to Japanese government to the Ministry of Defense. And of course, I think every soldier in Indonesia, they know very well our General Sudirman. They are the founding father of Indonesian National Army. And also they were educated from Japanese military during those days. And then he's the one who was appointed as chief of Indonesian Army after our Independence Day. And then during the second aggression from the Dutch, it was in 1948. He's going out of the town during the guerrillas war. And he don't want to be surrender. Even he was having such a chronic illness, and finally in the 1950 he was just passed away. But the spirit of him until now still be the doctrine in our national army.
Okay, thank you very much. So what do you think? Why General Sudirman here?
Why General Sudirman here? Well, I think he's the person who is well known between Indonesia and Japan.
Okay. So what's good for Japan?
What's good for Japan?
Yes.
Well, I think as the history and the military historical, Japan has already. I think they are proud at what they educate, becoming the Indonesian heroes. Yes, Indonesian big general.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
やっぱり日本のですね、兵隊さんもインドネシアの独立戦争に参加された方もいるわけですね。ですからこのスティルマン将軍と一緒にですね、日本の兵隊さんたちが日本の敗戦の後もインドネシアに残って約2000人の兵隊さんが残って1000人が独立戦争で死んだと言い伝えられておりますけれども、それは日本にとっても大きな誇りですね。そしてこの東京裁判が行われた極東軍事法廷が開かれたこの市ヶ谷台、その場所にこのアジアを解放した印であるスティルマン将軍像があるということ、そしてそのスティルマン将軍は日本軍が育てた人であるということは、日本の戦争の意義というものを東京裁判を否定する証拠がここに厳然として存在していると、そういう意味だと思います。その意味でも我々にとっては非常に意義深いこの銅像であります。